Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make taro vegetable soup to eat healthy and feel good in your body. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and make shrimp and pork meatball. Okay, let's go started guys. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning. First I'm gonna grab them first, okay, because I need to make the shrimp meatball. Cook at home, eat at home guys. It's good food and healthy benefits and quality. Just chop. I don't want to get too blend. Okay? Just chop. Perfect. Perfect right there. Perfect. Put them together right here. A lot of shrimp guys, just like that, and put them together. And I'm gonna keep going, finish all of this, and then come back, take a look how I'm seasoning. Okay, and then this is last one, put the lid on. Last one shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this together. All the shrimp guys, just cook at home. If you want to eat a lot of shrimp, put a lot of shrimp. If you want to eat pork, you put pork. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, right here, I'm gonna show you how to seasoning to make shrimp and pork meatball. Okay, how to seasoning my shrimp and pork ball. Very easy. Gonna be fish sauce, cornstarch, right there, white pepper, and sea sauce. Okay, let's go started. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and take the cornstarch, about 1 spoon. I will take 2 spoons, okay? 3 because I have a lot of pork. 3 spoons. And white pepper. If you don't like spice, white pepper you don't have to put, but I love spice. White pepper and sea sauce. Sea sauce is good balance. Okay, then fish sauce. And that's it for now. Okay, I'm gonna add the water to mix my cornstarch. Just that. And stir well. Stir well. To make this way is very easy. Okay, to make the food taste good, to add, I use a brown sugar, cane sugar guys, brown sugar, but I don't use white sugar. This is the healthy sugar. To make the food taste good, just add a little bit of sugar in there. That's it. And stir it well. Alright, let's put in the meat now. Go ahead, just put in here all together. When you make a good taste, that's how you do like this, okay? Alright. And then mix well. Mix them together very well. Shrimp meatball. Spring onion to make the meatball taste good. Add spring onion and cilantro. There you go. Alright, I clean my hand well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix meatball and shrimp together. Look at this. Look good, huh? Okay, time to cook the meat, pork and shrimp ball. I'm gonna go ahead and boil the water right here. Put spring water. Okay, let them cook and then I show you how to do it. Okay, everyone, ready to make meatball, and because of the water is hot now, you don't have to boil like that. Just hot, just like that, perfectly. Okay, before I make meatball, I'm gonna show you my techniques. I gotta have the water in my hand. Okay, just use the water in my hand like this. And I'm gonna grab the meatball, just that. And what I do, just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna show you better way. Come up just like that. To grab it very tight and nice. Just like that. One big one right here. Okay, get some more. Just grab it like that. You know, don't have to be so beautiful and they be rough looking and even taste better. Just like that. Okay, now the one riding on the top, this one ready to take it out. See that? Cook at home, eat at home. Shrimp meatball. Very easy. Just like that. Okay, when they ride up like that, then they're ready to take it off. It's beautiful, right? And you can put in freezer, you know, eat with noodle, make a soup, stuff like that. Or you can make a spaghetti with your meatballs, pork shrimp in there. There you go. Beautiful, right? Okay, I'm gonna keep finish all of this and come back to show you how to make the soup. Okay, guys.